Hi friends, so today we will doing the monthly horoscope for all the zodiac sign with the help of the tarot cards. Okay, so let's start. First is Capricorn, the people who are born from December 22 to Jan 20. Let's see how their month will be. Okay, for Capricorn people, you just relax, okay? Whatever hard work you have done, you will get success. You will feel very secure in your job. You will be very stable. There will be no tension in relation to money, okay? So just enjoy your month of March. Okay, the next sign is Aquarius, people who are born from Jan 21 to Feb 18. Let's see how their month will be. Okay, Aquarius people, you are feeling like you are stuck somewhere and you only relieve or release yourself from that situation. Don't blindly follow the things, okay? Just see how the things are working, then go into that. If you are feeling stuck, just open your eyes, see the pros and cons of the situation, and just follow your heart. Okay, that was for the Aquarius. Next is for Pisces, people who are born from Feb 19 to March 19. Let's see how their month of March will be. Okay, for them, there might be some good news coming. They will be financially stable, okay? But do check your emotions, okay? Don't just hold your emotions back. Release it. Let it like free flowing, okay? And if you are um, waiting to conceive your child or for the good news, so month of March will be a very good for that, for pregnancy, for taking your relationship to a new level, right? Now for the Aries, people who are born from March 20 to April 19. Let's see how their month will be. Okay, some good news is about to come in relation to your finance, in relation to your career. Okay, there will be some growth. If you are thinking about the business, this is the right time. You can just expand your business or you can just start your business. The next sign is Taurus, people who are born from April 20 to May 20. Let's see how your month of March will be. Okay, Taurus people, whatever you want, you will get in month of March. Okay, but you need to have that receiving feeling. Okay, don't just create the blockages by thinking negativity about yourself or about anything. This is the best card. You will fulfill all your wishes. Okay. So next is for Gemini, people who are born from May 21 to June 20. Okay, Gemini people, you have to be little bit careful in the month of March. There is some past things can be coming up, or there can be some what I can say, some if you have any enemies, they will try to attack you, or in your career, in your office wise also, you have to be little bit careful. Don't let your emotions take a major part, okay? And just follow your dreams. Try to find out what your dreams are telling you. Follow your intuition, but be careful. Next is for Cancer sign, people who are born from June 21 to July 22. Let's see how your day will be, how your month will be. Okay. Whatever you are trying to do, just do it with firm determination. Okay, you will succeed. There will be obstacles coming in your way in the month of March, but be firm and be determined. No, I want to get that thing, and you will get it. Okay. Next is for Leo people, people who are born from July 23 to August 22. Okay, for you people, there will be some good news in relation to your family. There will be some celebrations, or there's a chances you can get your ancestor property or something related with your ancestor, with your grandparents, or something is on your way. So just celebrate. Next is for Virgo, people who are born from August 23 to September 22. Yeah, the month of March for Virgo people will be great. You need to be a little childish, I can say. Don't be too mature in whatever things you do. Just enjoy whatever thing are coming in your way. You will have success. There will be growth, but enjoy the phase. Okay, you will shine. Okay. The next is for Libra people, people who are born from September 23 to October 22. For Libra, just if things are not working out for you, be hopeful. Surely in this month of March, you will get your solutions if you're looking for. Just keep your spirits high in a positive way. Okay, your wishes will be fulfilled, but be hopeful. Okay, next is for Scorpio, people who are born from October 23 to November 21. Okay, Scorpio, there is a chances like there will be new growth. There, if you are unmarried, there's a chances like you will get married soon, or you might be in a relationship. You will get engaged to someone. There is a new beginning. If you are looking for something in your business, or if you want to change your job or something, that will be definitely a new change, a new phase in your life. Next is for Sagittarius, people who are born from November 22 to December 21. Okay. Uh, Sagittarians, you have to be little bit patient. You will get success, but you need to calm down. Just don't behind that thing. Have patience. Let the things settle down. You will have success, but you have to be positive. Okay. So these are all the. This is like how your month of March will be according to your zodiac sign. Do like, do follow, do subscribe me on YouTube, follow me on Insta, and have a nice day. Bye bye.